Hello everyone, tutorial here, and I am going to show you how to upload videos. This is part 2 of a video that I kind of forgot about. Sorry about that. Uh, Anyway, first thing you want to do is to go on your channel by either clicking here and view your channel or on the side here. And over here, you're going to want to press either manage videos or the create icon, which is what I'm going to do. Upload video. Select your file. Alright, so you have your file selected, and first thing is a first thing you want to do is create a title. Mine will be this thing right here. And it's important that you get the spelling right. And the next thing you're gonna do is create a description, which is optional, by recommend learning how to do it. Thing you want to do is to clarify if it's made for kids or not. I mean, for me, it is made for kids, but at, if you select this icon, you won't be able to get comments and other stuff. So I usually press no. Oh, and if there's any playlists like the two that I have here you can go onto them and choose which one they are. Um, you also could do a thumbnail, which is what I'm gonna do just now. No, no, you don't have to do this. You can go with the auto generate stuff, but it looks more better if you do it yourself. Well, not all the time, but sometimes. Guys, and we'll get into this stuff in another video. The only thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put on entertainment and video elements. I'm gonna add this card, or linking it back to my channel, which is this. The message. The I'm also gonna add another card of the video it's taken from other channels. Oh, it is. No, we'll put this right here, so it's not in the same spot. We'll put it a few seconds after each other. We'll save this. Checks. X copyrighted. If I have copyrighted, if you don't make money off of YouTube, this shouldn't be. You shouldn't really have to care about this. But if you do, copyright is the worst thing to come to you. And visibility, if you want it to be private, unlisted, or public, or if you want to schedule it for a future date, I am going to make it public after I get a thumbnail. I'll be back in a second. All right, got the thumbnail ready. Sure. And then press press publish, and that's how you create 8 videos. Yes. See you all next time. Hope you found this helpful.